Welcome to dividing rational algebraic expression. Structure of dividing rational algebraic expression. So let's have now a rational expression a over b divided by c over d. Now, the concept is this one. You have your dividend, which is a over b, and then your divisor should be reciprocated, or it will have its reciprocal. So if the position is c over b, the reciprocal would be b over c. Then proceed to multiplication. So having that, you have now a times d over b times c, and then the product would be ad over bc. We have now what we call other structure dividing rational algebraic expression, which is the structure is complex. So we have a over b divided by c over d. It's just the same with the previous structure, which is a over b divided by c over d. Therefore, it's just to have the same quotient, which is ad over bc. Now, let's have now this example. Divide 4 over y by 3 over x. So you have now 4 over y divided by 3 over x. So reciprocal of 3 over x is x over 3. Now proceed to multiplication. So 4 times x, then y times 3. And now the quotient is 4x over 3y. Let's have now other example, which is divide 4x minus 16 over x plus y by 8 over 5x plus y. We have now the given 4x minus 16 divided by x plus y over x plus y divided by 8 over 5x plus 5y. Now, we'll be having the dividend, which is 4x minus 16 over x plus y. And then reciprocal of 8 over 5x plus 5y would be 5x plus 5y over 8. Now, we have now the use of factoring. So common factoring. So we have now 4 times x minus 4 over x plus y times 5 times x plus y over 4 times 2. Now, canceling now the common factor. So we can cancel now 4 here and 4 here. And then x plus y, and then x plus y here as well. Now, the product will lead you to 5 times x minus 4 all over 2. Let's have now an example. Other, divide 5m minus 7 by 25m squared minus 49 all over 10m plus 14. Now, let's write now the given. So the dividend is in parentheses so that it will never have a confusion if it's 7 divided by the divisor. Next, so we write now the dividend as 5n minus 7 over 1 as its denominator. And then we reciprocate, or we get the reciprocal of the divisor. So it will lead you to 10m plus 14 all over 25m squared minus 49. And then we proceed to multiplication. Now, the concept of factoring will happen. So we have now 5m minus 7 over 1. And then you have now the factors of 10. Greatest common factor of 10m plus 14 is 2. So you have now 2 times 5m plus 7. And then difference of 2 squares. So you have now 5m plus 7, then 5m minus 7. Now having that, we can now cancel common factors such as 5m minus 7. And then we have another one, 5m plus 7. So the final answer will lead you to 2. Okay, let's have another one. Simplify x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 1 over x minus 2. Now, writing now the given. So your dividend is x squared plus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. And then your divisor would be x plus 1 over x minus 2. Now, writing again the dividend, and then getting the reciprocal of the divisor. So it will have now x minus 2 over x plus 1, and then proceed to multiplication. Now, analyzing now the given, you can now have now factoring. So, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is a general trinomial. So the factors will have x plus 1 times x plus 2. And then difference of two squares, x squared minus 4, that will lead you to x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now, we can now cancel common factors such as x minus 2 and here another x minus 2. We have x plus 1 and then x plus 1 here and then x plus 2, then another x plus 2. What happens if you cancel all the factors in the numerator and the denominator? The answer will lead you to 1. Let's have now another example. Simplify x squared minus 8x plus 7 all over 2x minus 14 divided by x squared minus 1 over 4. Writing now the given, x squared minus 8x plus 7 all over 2x minus 14 divided by x squared minus 1 over 4. Now, let's rewrite the dividend. So x squared minus 8x plus 7 all over 2x minus 14. And then reciprocal of the divisor, it will lead to 4 over x squared minus 1. And then proceed to multiplication. Now, once again, in this case, so that you will have now your factoring skills. So the factors of x squared minus 8x plus 7 will lead you to x minus 7 times x minus 1. Common factoring, 2x minus 14 will lead you to 2 times x minus 7. Then 4, and then difference of two squares, x squared minus 1 will lead you to x plus 1, then x minus 1. Now, let's have now the cancellation of common terms. So you have now x minus 7 here, x minus 7 as well, x minus 1, then x minus 1. And then on the number 4 and 2, this will have now 2 here. So we have 2 here. And then the final answer is 2 over x plus 1.